The fun is beginning. Hey y'all, it's Denver. Welcome or welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome or welcome back is what I said. Thank you very much. This is Deontay. Hope I featured a lot in this vlog. As y'all can tell by the title, huh?
I'm the main character.
As you can tell by the title, it's our 4th of July vlog. Today's actually the 3rd, but you know how that go. Gotta get prepared. It's currently 9:18 and we're getting our shiz ready to get. If you don't know, we go to Kentucky every year for 4th of July because that's how it goes in our family. Excuse you. Do you want me to get copyrighted? The help. And I'm currently getting my stuff ready to go. And I have to not really rush. My brother's like the kind of impatient type where he will try to leave me. So we're kind of gonna speed up the process a little bit, which is not gonna take too long. I feel like I always overthink this, like what to bring. But honestly, I'm just kicking it with my family for a couple days. So like, they don't really care. I don't really care. But I do have to get some essential stuff packed, so that's what I'm doing right now. I currently just got back from the gym, and I'm gonna talk pretty loud and continuously so that we don't get copyrighted by this music that is blasting in the background. But yeah, what's up with y'all? How's life? How's everything going? I hope y'all are having an amazing morning, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. At the time, I used to watch like Aaliyah. She used to always say that, and I used to just love that because like, what? Period. But how are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? If you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you go do that. Keep up with me on my challenge. I'm doing the 75-day hard challenge, and today's day 41, so we're literally almost there, bro, which is crazy given the fact that I haven't done so many of the things that I normally have done in my life in these past 41 days. But it's been great. It's been a journey. It has been exhilarating. What else do I need? Well, my brother just basically told me it's not him rushing me, it's kind of our grandma. So I am gonna speed up. It's Wednesday today. 4th of July is tomorrow, Thursday, and then we're coming back Friday. But I am on my period, so I definitely have to make sure I bring like, you know, backups, extras, just to make sure I'm cool in that area. Y'all know how that goes. As women, you have to just make sure we're good. So I'm gonna bring backup underwear, a couple outfits to work out in. I'm really not trying to overdo it for real, so I'm gonna just only bring a couple of outfits to work out in and not my whole entire workout collection, so I don't need to do all that. Bring some stuff to sleep in. Really nothing is going on right now, and I just want to get the video started, so I'm about to pack, get my shit ready, and once something more exciting is going on, like we're about to go to IHOP, we have to go pick up my baby cousin, just some more exciting stuff going on. I'm gonna get back with y'all, but let's make this vlog super duper fun. I hope y'all enjoy every minute of it, and I haven't posted in 2 weeks, but I'm definitely gonna get this video out to y'all this Sunday, so y'all will see this July the, what is that, 7th? Yeah, so let's have a great weekend and get litty titty. All right, y'all, the road trip is commencing. Super duper excited, y'all. We do this every year. It's gonna be the first year that my aunt is not here. Rest in peace to my girl. So it's gonna be different for me. She lived out of town, so like this was one of the only times I've seen her throughout the year. So it's gonna be different, very emotional. But I'm excited anyways to see the rest of my family, to make more memories and have a great time. Yeah, I don't want y'all to see where I live, so yeah. Alright, y'all. What's up? I got up from a nap like 15 minutes ago, and we're about to go to the store now. See my grandma and my auntie Louie. Y'all, I look shiny, I look good, but this head wrap, I'm ready to take off, put it on a bonnet, and watch a movie. Very much so. Very much so. Hi to the camera, you two, and vlogging.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
Happy 4th of July. We in Covington. Yes, they have. Yanni and Chase are the same age. That's a little area. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's
Too many kids.
Ricky's daughter.
Okay, everyone, I am in charge of breakfast. So we're going to get all the breakfast stuff. We need eggs. Y'all need to remember for me. We need eggs, bacon, sausage, biscuits, and probably some beverages because can't have breakfast without beverages. So let's do some shopping.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay.
Oh, it is hot as shit. I have under control. Bye.
Trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is ciao for now. Ciao, ciao.
Hello, I know you people. It's good to see you again. How's the kids?
Yeah, she making ass shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me.
Grand, good morning. Say good morning to the vlog. Say good morning to the vlog. Mom, are you gonna say good morning to the vlog? Say good morning. Good morning. Can you get your butt up and cook if you gonna keep pressing me? So hush. I'll get to the kitchen when I get to the kitchen. Mind your business. And say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
Greg, say good morning to the vlog. We're vlogging.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Hello, everyone.
Early in the morning. That's what we do early in the morning.
Samar J is still asleep. He was up all night kicking it. Say good morning to the vlog. Shayron, say good morning to the vlog. Corey, say good morning to the vlog.
Now he tried to duck, didn't she?
She wants to be. I sure did. Y'all do not have to look pretty for the vlog.
For the who?
The vlog, I'm vlogging. YouTubing. The family.
Why they gotta look pretty?
I don't know. Shayron said, can you wait till I brush my hair?
Oh, really?
No, girl.
You ready to run on up here?
Yeah, let me get my coffee. I got that.
Yeah. See, y'all not even ready for me. Y'all not even ready for me. We're the employees that literally just work.
We out here in Kentucky. I'm an intern.
Out here in Miami. It ain't no hoochie daddies out here. And Deontay said ain't no bad bitches.
It ain't not one. All years he cook here, I ain't never seen one.
You ain't never seen one bad bitch, you saying?
No bad biddies. Alright, kids. This is my twin cousin. I've been talking about him all weekend. Oh, so good that out. Deontay, talk to him, let him know how you feel. 4th of July. Well, I didn't even peep how close that was. You messed up my focus. I dressed Deontay, y'all. He definitely gets his swag from me. This is my whole fit right here. This hat is really He said so good.
Ooh, you got the maniacs. You
So what's the deal? What's the deal they got here?
Do your homework on these.
Do your homework on the maniac. Let's start there. Let's start there.
And it's our tall cousin. We don't know where she get the legs from. Ain't none of us tall. I don't know.
Right there.
Yeah, cause so tell him to shut up or tell him to vlog. Anyway, y'all, we got a lot of stuff. I'm not a real vlogger. We got a lot of stuff. How you feeling? Hey. We're still buying stuff apparently. I need the cameraman. Here you go.
Oh yeah, it's lit. Yeah.
Apparently I'm not a good vlogger, he said.
Let's do it.
But we got a bunch of stuff. We're still getting stuff.
Bro. Where we at right now?
This right now in Florence at this. What's this place called? I don't know. We ain't some fireworks.
It's about to get wild.
About to get wicked. About to go crazy.
You know? It's raining outside though. Hopefully it dried up, man. Oh yeah.
And you can reuse it, it ain't gonna fall apart or tip over.
You know, the bird shorts.
Alright, y'all, we have to stop and get some food. Me and Z got Chipotle because we eat real food.
Real shit.
The hood rats eat at McDonald's. No offense to anybody that eats McDonald's, but not us. Yeah, look too long that she took.
Everybody.
Cause we got an order number. I think
Oh yeah, get that. That's like some Puerto Rican.
get the vlog in.
We in the DR right now. You see the hill?
We in the DR.
We out here, beat. We in the DR right now,
We just
son.
taking from Ohio to the DR.
We out here, beat. We out here putting that for the fireworks.
Water, you know.
From the 99 to the early 2000s.
It looks like we look like we in the hill. Like we in some foreign country.
Yeah, this shit look crazy. Can I zoom in?
Nice to sell down here.
Right before my smack. Smack.
Oh, smacks. Each smack has 50 on it.
Get some smacks in.
How much is each smack?
Get some smack
Let me get a smack.
Is it recording?
That's it.
Hey, throw it. Hey, smack. Dumb smacks.
Sharon smacks.
What the fuck is snacks?
Hey.
How to do that?
Hey.
What are they doing?
Hey. He gets down.
Stop the violence!
Stop the violence.
Stop the violence!
Put the gun down.
Hands up, don't shoot.
They pushing peace? Ain't no pushing peace. Uncle Eric is dying with
How we get so deep so fast? They stop trying to beat your ass. Especially how I kiss it. Let's just say the level. Why the fuck you keep going missing on me? Everything.
It would take all night to get
To do it, yeah. There's so much shit in here, bro.
This is like the Pepsi with them.
Haha. What you gotta say?
Huh?
What you got to say?
There's a lot of fireworks.
Definitely.
No, that's what that is.
Don't age my mama.
Hello! Say hello to the vlog.
We got a lot of fireworks. It's going to be a long night. And I'm going to be right here watching it from the window. What'd you say, Smart? You're right, boy. That one year scarred me for life. A firework fell in my eyeball. Never again. Like the debris from fireworks fell in my eye. One dead body, many more to come. They can't handle that lick and the weed. Niggas, dead off the lick. It's okay. This is like the 15th smoke session these black asses done did today. How many times y'all gonna smoke today?
100 million more.
A million more. Jared is dead on the couch.
She started incriminating.
Her getting high too. Don't act like you don't be smoking.
It's cooling down.
It's still the bomb squad, even though our captain is no longer with us. Y'all just practicing? Y'all warming up before the game?
All kids sitting on there.
Corey. She's not paying us no attention.
She wanna go out there. Why you wanna go out there? Why you wanna hide the world from the kids? You like their pieces?
Here you go, boo cakes.
You like their pieces?
You want? Let me have that one back, Corey. Let me see this one. With the Don in hand, glasses on. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I see where y'all get y'all dancing from. Yeah. Oh, bow. Yeah. Bow. You and Corey matching. They are really matching. Okay. Period. Wow. Oh, wow. Hey, where you at? How y'all feeling?
You know we doing this down here, man.
This is just the beginning. We just started. That's the crazy part. Whoa, it's we just getting started. Right now. I don't even understand.
Bounce.
Bow.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel out of place without the white shirt on.
Right, we all right.
It's finna get crazy. Big shit, nigga.
Is this everything? Is this the finale?
We still not done.
Yeah.
Hashtag still not done. That's dangerous. We still got all of this. All of this is going all the way down the street. They not ready. This goes all the way down the street.
Oh, so that means it's gonna pop everywhere.
It's gonna pop everywhere, Shaka. It's not safe. Nowhere. It start right there. Or I think it ends right there. The stem is down there.
Oh, the stem down there, so it's gonna end right here.
Yeah, so you got time.
That's 5, and he still got another row.
Yes. It's about to get wicked. It's about to get real. Hashtag bomb squad. Hashtag rest in peace to my auntie. Hashtag y'all not fucking with us. Hashtag 4th of July. Hashtag I'm that bitch. Oh. Just like a motorcycle. Sucky now. Woo! Please be careful.
Stop.
Bomb squad.
Stop.
Woo!
You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind to this whole waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever pressed the crime. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policies can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind to this whole waste. Trials and tribulations. Child.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended.
Vlog. I know you want to say bye to the vlog. See y'all later. Shout out to the vlog.
We out here to the vlog. 4th of July time. The song, we turned it up. You gonna see everything.
For sure.
You done already seen it.
My skin looks so great right
We
now.
gotta edit.
Today.
I need a 24.
Shit, my money thick,